Hi there, it's Drew from Brit Chat Club with a video of English idioms explained. I'm sorry I've not been able to do a video for a while. I've been very busy getting ready to move into my new home. I've been building flat pack furniture, waxing wooden chairs, reupholstering chairs, you name it, I've been doing it. But enough of that. Let's get on to today's video, which is about the idiom to hit the sack. First of all, as usual, let's check the definition of this idiom, to hit the sack. So, to hit the sack simply means to go to bed or to go to sleep. Sometimes we also use the phrase to turn in for the night. In this video, we'll be focusing on the idiom to hit the sack. To help you understand the definition better, we're going to look at some examples. For the first example, let's say you're at work and you've been working hard all day long and you say to your colleagues, "I'm exhausted, I'm going to hit the sack," which means that you're going to go home and you're going to get some much needed rest. For the second example, maybe you're at a social event with your friends, but you're feeling tired and you want to go home. So you say to your friends, "It's getting late, I think I'll hit the sack." For the third example, maybe you're a student and you've been studying all day long and it's time for a rest. And so you say to your classmates, "That's enough for me, it's time to hit the sack." All of these examples show simple ways that you can tell your friends, your colleagues, or your family that you're going to get some rest, you're going to hit the sack. How about you? Can you think of any good examples of where you could use this phrase in your life? As always, let me know in the comments section. It's great to hear your ideas. Now it's time to learn about the origin of the idiom to hit the sack. This idiom comes from 20th century America, and it was used to talk about mattresses. At that time, mattresses were very different to how they are now, and originally they were often sacks full of hay or other materials. So the term sack referred to these early mattresses that were simple types of bedding. The phrase hit the sack came about as slang, with the word hit giving the impression that someone was about to lie down and go to sleep. Over time, it became a popular way of saying that you were going to go and get some rest or that you were going to get some sleep. The phrase became popular, and perhaps part of the reason for this is because it creates the image of someone throwing themselves dramatically onto the bed in order to get some rest, to hit the sack. So we often use this phrase when we're feeling extra tired. Next time you're feeling tired and you're going to go to bed to get some rest, remember to use this phrase, hit the sack. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like and subscribe, and if you're interested in online lessons with me, check out my website, britchatclub.com. Whew, right, that's it for me. Guess what? I'm off to hit the sack. See you next time. Bye.